Marky, may
Yo.
tanong ako. Pag nag-tag team ba si Quatro saka si Tiago, pangalan ba ng tag team nila? Hello guys. Hello kakikadas. Pauwi na ako at nagbabike lang ako. So kanina, nasa FPW pagsubok sa QC ako. Nanonood ako. Yun. Daming magaganda yung mga matches. Siyempre, what can you expect from FPW? They have every banger of matches na talagang masarap panoorin. Na-enjoy ko. Pero siyempre, meron rin ako mga clips na kinuha. And siyempre, papakita ko sa inyo yun ngayon. Okay, ito na. Wala lang. Ate-ate. Bye-bye.
Run it up, check the scope, money talk, money mo. Yeah, main crew say they with it, kicking down the door. Run it up, check the scope, money talk, money mo. What? Main crew say they with it, kicking down the door. Let's go. And switch the whole lane when I'm driving the machine. True vision, big dream, kingpin of the scene. They be talking on the net, I just count the green. Cash. From a phantom to a ghost, you know what I mean. Yeah. On a whole nother level. Let's get it. Endless chances that I took with the whole team. My team. Snake shedding their skin, see the fake gleam. Real balls, new whip, off white, so clean. Rhyme with the heavy metal, make a big scene. Haters see me winning when my dogs survive. Feed the haters alphabet letters, let them subscribe. Man, I had to play my moves right, give me my crown. Give me that fire, the whole game up. Cities my playground. My town, my town. They be making wild claims out of nowhere, I don't hear them. Nah. Uncle taught me about the snakes, why I shouldn't fear them. Enemies in my blind spot, had to clear them, had to steer them. Fans wanna see the show, no rehearsal, I just appear. I'm here, run it up, check the scope. Money talk, money mo. Yeah, main crew say they with it, kicking down the door. Run it up, check the scope. Money talk, money mo. Wait, main crew say they with it, kicking down the door. Let's go. Sliding in a new coupe, black tint, big wheels, big wheels. Took her to the top floor, she know how I feel. Walking with that fire, dragon breath, that's the deal. Got up under the hood, purring, that's a Porsche for real. Speaking in the studio, dropping his voice is moving. Icebox where the watch was, big jacuzzi. Vision so clear, Spike Lee, it's a movie. Action, keep the whole squad tight, family, we ain't losing. Never. Yo, real business.
Yung nag-spike, si Quavo.
Tapos?
Ako yung nag-spike.
Bakit? Sige. Jason Rex. Sigma! Reflash. Magsi-619 ka ulit sa susunod. AB3 may balita daw. Wala na raw Sigma.
Karasan man si Legendarius, I wish him the best, pero I think nahanap na ng bagong direksyon sa buhay.
Ganon? Oo.
Nahanap ko na sarili ko. Alam ko na ang kailangan kong gawin.
Madaya ka daw.
Deserve niya. Pakita mo!
Kuya Rio. May tanong ako.
Ano tanong mo?
Bibigyan mo ba akong 5K pag chinir kita?
Bibigyan kita ng 5K pag chinir mo ko at sisiguraduhin mong manalo ako.
Sige. Bayag ako.
Basta ito yan ha.
Sada yan.
Hintayin kita.
Next show.
Sige.
Marky, may
Yo.
tanong ako. Pag nag-tag team ba si Quatro saka si Tiago, pangalan ba ng tag team nila ay Quatro?
Hindi, parang mas maganda yung si Tiago, tsaka si
Sino?
Hindi ko alam pala, sorry. Wala, ayaw ko may tag team kasi ang kaya ko namang pulpulin lahat eh. Although kanina natalo ako, ganun talaga. Minsan dinadaya tayo para manalo. Pero kung di ako dadayahin, feeling ko manalo.
Oo, dapat. Panalo
Dapat
ka.
solo lang. Kung mag-tag team ako, siguro si Eugene. Kaso, problema, wala si Eugene. Bakit wala kay Eugene? Na-expect kita. Alam mo ba, paglabas ko ng entrance, sobrang sinanap ko na agad kung asa ngayon. Pero tangin na asa ka, wala.
Wala. Sayang, Eugene. Next time.
Next time.
Jan, anong feeling na champion?
Sa ngayon, overwhelmed. Hindi ko pa alam mafe-feel ko.
Sino?
Medyo nakakapagod kasi inabot kami ng 20 minutes.
Oh, grabe.
Pero masaya.
Ay, sorry. Sinong gusto mong makalaban sa susunod?
Si Ralph ulit. Dahil na-enjoy ko yung match namin. At gusto pa ng more challenge. Saka kahit sino sa academy.
Congrats siya! Ralph, may rematch ba? Yun lang. Kali, Josh.
Hello.
Sinong...
No,
Isip ako.
my favorite part of the show, yung yung dive niya. Di ba dati, yung dive niya dati, straight, parang, bahala na. Yung dive niya today may twist eh. Okay.
Rated SPG. Man, I'm with Legendarius. Legendarius, wala na daw Sigma.
Meron pang Sigma as long as I live and the universe exists. Sigma will forever live on in your hearts and minds and on all realms of the earth and the universe.
Basta meron din ganito, no?
Oo, ano yun. At pag tumanda na kami, kailangan na nito.
Yo.
Goat X.
Yan. Hi, Kid Guago. Hello. Hi, Kimi. Ano masabi natin na dinaya ka?
Ayun, nakakita naman natin.
Babawi ba?
Unfair. Unfair. That was unfair. I was blindsided by that girl.
Babawi.
Babawi. Pwede hindi. Lalaki tayo ng sex bomb para lumaban.